First here at 5, the face of the Veterans Club pleaded not guilty in federal court.
Jeremy Harrell is accused of taking unemployment benefits that he was ineligible for from the VA for years. WDRB's Grace Haba was in Frankfort today as he denied any wrongdoing.
Family and members of the Veterans Club looked on as Jeremy Harrell denied defrauding the VA during his first appearance in federal court.
He has denied each of the allegations that are set forth in the indictment.
That indictment came down just 1 week ago, accusing Jeremy Harrell of taking over $100,000 in VA benefits he was ineligible for. Harrell served in the U.S. Army from February 2003 until April 2004. In 2019, he founded the Veterans Club, which provides assistance to service members and their families. Due to his excessive work with that organization, an indictment argues he knowingly defrauded the VA by continuing to collect unemployment benefits. Harrell did not receive a salary. A judge ruled Harrell must not have any contact with any witnesses or victims related to the case.
Number one, we deny that there's any victims in this case. As to potential witnesses, it could just about be anybody. So it really is unfair to say that he can't have contact with potential witnesses who are unnamed at this point.
A judge also cited 3 former protective orders against Harrell and his prior refusal to answer any questions about his mental or physical health when ruling he must now give up his passport and cannot leave the state of Kentucky. Harrell also cannot possess any firearms or make any purchases over $10,000 without first notifying his parole officer. While some former Veterans Club members told WDRB last week they felt Harrell should step down as CEO, Harrell's attorney disagrees.
Again, these allegations against him are criminal in nature, so there isn't any reason whatsoever for him to step down at this point, and the court did not ask him to do so, nor did the Assistant United States Attorney. But whether he decides to do that so that he can fully devote his time to preparing his defense, that'll be up to him, and that'll be decided at another date.
Harrell's attorney says they will now review evidence provided by the government before taking their next steps. If convicted, Harrell faces up to 10 years in prison and a maximum fine of $250,000. He's due back in court January 2nd. In Frankfort with photojournalist Ian Cunningham, Grace Haba, WDRB News.